Welcome to Multinet 3D. In this tutorial, we are going to create a simple housing object. So how do we do that? We are using polygon primitive. Click on create and create polygon primitive. The first thing to do is to create a plane. Good. So the next one, you go to the polygon primitive and create cube. Good. So after this, now you need to create your A-frame. How do you do that? You select the center point of this and you come to mesh tools, click on insert edge loop. So make sure it's at the middle, or you want to see exceed to delete that. Go to channel box, select this and say object from this cube one. So depth divisible, then you click on depth, divide into 2. Okay, that is the middle. Then you select the edge from here and say pull it up by using move. Can you see? So you have created the size of A. So how do you create the eave of the roof? This is another thing. So the best aspect to use is that you select the face, select face, toggle and select face by pressing Ctrl, Shift. Then from there you go to edit mesh. In your edit mesh, just do what? Extrude. From the extrude, just move it up a bit. Can you see? So this one, from here, the next thing you do, select this and select this, press extrude again, click here and press extrude. Then from extrude at this side, pull it out. So come to this side, click, shift click, and here you press again, edit mesh, press extrude, you drag it out. Are you seeing it? So from the below, from this edge side, press shift while you are clicking the surface, and again you do what? Edit mesh, press extrude, draw it out. So you do the same thing for the last one. Shift and press extrude. Good. So you have built a simple basic house. So let us put door, by creating simple door. And how do we do that? You can do it through the formula. The first aspect is that you do it through what? The same extrusion. The second one is by using boolean, but we are not going to use boolean here. In our progress tutorial, we are going to use boolean to create a certain thing. So now I want to use edit mesh. I want you to be used. Now when you put this at this point, you put this one, so at the same time you do the same thing here. So at this point, what you need to do is to choose the vertex. At the vertex, I like this, click vertex, vertex. At the vertex, select this, what's your issue, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So select vertex, come to Okay, press enter, come to this point, select vertex, press F, click on move, and you bring this down. F again, so until you are able to be vindicated with what you have done. So press enter, go back there. Okay, what you did here was different. I think it's from another side. So let's do this one by bringing it to the level that we want it to be. So press enter. I think we have it. So go back to this place and select object, then you select face. Let the two face be selected by pressing shift. No, select the single face, then on that single face go back there and say extrude. At the extrude, you push this inside. Can you see? So by doing that, you have indicated that there is door here. So here now you do the same thing, extrude, and you do what? All what you just need here is to what? Duplicate this face, as you have done that to bring it out. So it's now a single object. Press F and press space to have this in place. Select and select object. So you have selected that object. What you need next is that you press face, select the face and say press extrude. Edit mesh, extrude the space so it became a solid door. So here you have this and here you have this door in place. So do not bother about this again, just select face, then assign material to this object by clicking here and say assign new material. We are going to dive into more detail of new material. Always follow our tutorial on daily basics here. So the material you have created is polygon. Just click on blind. At this place you change the material colors. So to make it brighter, we turn it to green, something like this. I want it to have a touch of bright side. Good. So it's done. So I prefer this. We'll allow this one to move up a bit. Good. So I select the door and change the material of the door. Assign new material for the door. The same blind. Go here and change the color. Press yellow. Red, sorry. And you change it to something like. So that is how you create doors here. So at this side, you must select the inside by select surface. Then you delete inside surface. You don't need that anymore. So click here and click object. It's there already. Then you move this by saying click, modify, and say fix transform. Then you come back to say reset transform. Then you come back again and say okay, center pivot. So after that you bring this close. Now you can a little bit scale it down. Control, press F on your keyboard and scale it a bit, that you have the feel of entrance in that design. So move outside. So that is how you create a little door. So you have created your house and the door is there. So that is a simple building design in Maya. Here press F and zoom in for you. So you design this and change the material for the ground as well. Sign material, let's use standard material like Lambert. Here we change it to something like green. Click on green, then you change it to something like good. So that is beautiful. So that is how you create a simple building in Maya. So in our next tutorial, we are going to bring how to complete this, create a window, and so on and so forth. So try as possible, subscribe to our channel and find everything we are doing incredibly so thanks. That is how you put your wireframe